apprenticeship versus tattoo school. It's been quite a long year, people are debating about it, and Machu Tattoo School is redefining and transforming this whole and bringing up the tattoo industry to the new level by giving a professional diploma tattoo course. Yes, in this video I am going to talk about 5 special things about this professional tattoo diploma course over than this tattoo apprenticeship and old techniques. Without wasting a time, let's get into the topic now. So number 1, structured tattoo course. Yes. So our tattoo course, which is a diploma tattoo art, we are providing a structured way that is implemented and practically achieved by many of our students. World level, they have achieved a lot of awards and we are recognized by the Indian government. So it is the purest form of art which will be bringing in a proper way. But when we talk about this apprenticeship, there is nothing like a logicals. Artist will teach whenever he'll be get a good mood, and then many of the times when I was traveling around the world on different countries, I have seen many of the tattoo studios, the students who used to sweep the floors and clean the bathrooms, and then by learning from the tattoo artist, and if the tattoo artist in a good mood, he will teach or else he will not teach. At the same time, they will teach only the basics and ask the students to start to do the tattoo only the basics, not giving a much more information and the knowledge about them. This is really the bad way to learn about how to become a best tattoo artist. And so this is why in our tattoo studio we are bringing it up. In our tattoo school we are bringing it up the more structured way, and that is the more improved and executed the successful way of getting and learning to become a more professional tattoo artist. Number 2, government grade certificate. Yes, after apprenticeship, you are not going to get any of the certificates. You are just going to know some of the tattoo art, and many of the places you are not going to know why you did it, what's the reason you did it. But in our diploma tattoo course, in our Machu Tattoo School, we are government recognized and we are providing a government grade tattoo certificate which you can put it on your tattoo studio, and you can open your tattoo studio on your own with the licenses and all the expertise things. That is the most beautiful thing about our tattoo school. Number 3, improved pro artist result. Yes, as I can explain to you earlier, we have a structured tattoo course. Even if you go ahead with the online classes or offline classes, both the ways we are providing a structured online courses to you. On offline as well as online, you can complete your professional diploma course. I have attached our online classes link in the description. You can please go and check it out. And if you are already a tattoo artist but you wanted to improve your skill, yes, we are having a structured courses for that too. That is specifically there, and the language of this offline courses as well as online courses is English. And online courses, we are trying to make one more video separate set with the Tamil audio languages also, which will be really helpful for you. So improved pro artist result when you do as a tattoo apprenticeship, there is no promising that you will become a pro artist. You may get to know what to do tattoo and how we can do the tattoo, but can you able to do the pro level of artwork which will give the more realisms or more important to the outwork or custom works? I will definitely say that will not happen. As my experience, I have been there in Miami, Germany with a foreigner artist and the other people, but this does not work. This does not happen in that way. So we highly recommend when you will be go ahead and choosing this professional diploma tattoo course, we are promising you that you will become a pro level artist with all kind of textures and the shading level and with the custom designing also. Number 4, practical live classes. Yes, in our Diploma tattoo course, we are providing a practical live classes from our tattoo artist team on the real skin, so that when you see practically on your eye, not on the display or on the skin or not on a digital way, when you will be see on your own and when you are asking the questions lively, you will be understanding in a much more better way. But in a tattoo apprenticeship, I have seen through the eyes, when the artist doing a tattoo, if you are standing and near to them asking, if you are asking any questions, they will not answer you properly, or they will be degrading you. Or do you not even know these things? You are asking me these silly questions, what else you are doing to? These are all the things used to happen in a tattoo apprenticeship. But in a practical live classes, you will get a much more clear idea on the professional way. Artist will teach you every strokes, why they are doing it, how it's happening, how we are bringing out the smooth shading effect, and why we have done this designings. All the things you will be getting it down. Then number 5, hand hold you on the process. Yes, we will be hand hold you like a baby throughout the process on this whole duration of 3 months in this Diploma tattoo course. Yes, you heard me completely right. We will be taking very limited seats in our tattoo school, and we are providing an experienced smooth artist for individual people to give a much more professional and then the customized guidance, because everybody is not same. One person will be on the another level, another person will be on the another level on while they are learning it. So we are here to provide you the much more better and the customized tattoo structure, so that we can bring you a pro artist from you. We know it, and we will be here to teach you all the things, and we are here to answer you for all your questions, which will not even happen in the tattoo apprenticeship places. When you'll be go ahead this professional tattoo school and the tattoo courses, you will be lot to learn, and you will be have much more experienced artist learnings. And when they talk about question and answer sessions, they will be share with you their life experiences and what are all the things they have faced in their starting stages with the clients, and all the experiences, important things they will share with you. That is the most priceless one, which you cannot get it in the tattoo apprenticeship. In the tattoo apprenticeship, there will be always the feel that artist will be the most senior person and they should not be come out, and this they won't be answer you properly, and they'll not give the proper answers if you ask them also. This is the differentiation between tattoo apprenticeship and the tattoo school. Number 6, 360-degree knowledge. If you are a person thinking that you are going to learn only about tattooing from the start to advanced level, then it's completely wrong. In our professional diploma tattoo course, we covered you everything. That is the 360-degree knowledge we are providing to you. That means we are giving a designing from the scratch, how to prepare the design, how to change it, Photoshops, and as well as how to work with the Procreate, Sketchbook, Snapseed, how to prepare the stencil, and how to manage the team, how to manage the business, how to do the marketing, how to manage your social medias, how to build your portfolio in a much more beneficiary way. This and all will not at all happens in your tattoo apprenticeship. Tattoo apprenticeship, they'll be teaching you what needs to be done, and you can see and you can learn by seeing the other artists what are all they doing. So okay, I will also do that, but it's not at all going to be happen. But we covered you everything in a 360-degree way, that you will make sure you are learning all these things in the all aspect, and you'll be get tons of knowledge before getting it down from this tattoo diploma course, that which I have achieved it in almost 15 years, you can be able to achieve it within 1 or 2 years. That is the speciality about this tattoo course, and we are the mentors. We'll bringing you and pushing you in the shortcut and bringing you much more in a front forward to the worldwide become a professional tattoo artist. Number 7, accessibility. Yes, we are making this platform more accessible to every artist. Whenever you'll have a doubt, or if even after you completed a course, when you start to do the tattoo, if you have any course, how this depth is happening, or what is the mistake is happening on the live skin. My client have asked this, what are all the things that will be happening. We are providing a weekly space for you to access about all these questions, and our pro artist will answer you. Will this happen in a tattoo apprentice? No. As a tattoo apprentice, you can't be able to learn all these things. Once you completed a tattoo apprentice, once you become a tattoo artist on your own, if you have done any mistakes, they will get angry on you. Apart from that, they will not guide you. Maybe a good tattoo artist can help you, but most of them, that does not work in that way. Then number 8, teaching in a different languages. Yes, in our studio, even me, I know the languages of English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, and we'll be teaching you in different languages to all the students, whoever is convenient on their language. Most common language is going to be English, but specifically if they do not understand any of that, if they have asked the doubt about it, we'll be teaching you on your own language. So you don't need to worry about this language barriers. If you are a person all over the world, you can come and join to us. Within this language, whatever will be suitable for you, we are happy to teach you in that particular language, and we are happy to answer all the questions in that particular language. That is the most beneficiary one. If you think about tattoo as a tattoo apprentice, will this happen? I have an experience when I was in Vietnam. The artist is teaching in a Vietnamese, but the person who is working as a tattoo apprentice, he couldn't even understand any of the stuffs. He spent almost 1 year as a tattoo apprentice in that particular studio. They have gotten a lot of work from him, but at the end, he did not learn anything about it. He just spent a time for the zero language, zero knowledge. So that's what most of the time when you work as a tattoo apprentice, it happens. So that's why we'll be providing a much more structured way and giving a lot more knowledge in our tattoo school. Then number 9, placement opportunities. Yes. When we talk about this placement opportunities, if you are a person having a good attitude and if you are good in a tattoo art skills, that time if any of our other branches, if you are required a person who wants it to be the tattoo artist to be get placed, then after once you attend the interview, if you are qualified for it, you can go ahead and you can join with us, our team. Yes, you heard me completely right. But that time, if it's any requirement is there, surely you are experienced and the more qualified person you are in. But in tattoo apprentice, it does not work in this way. As a tattoo apprentice, you can work and you need to leave from that place. There is no scope for it, and there is no experience certificate they'll be providing you for it. So there are no trace that you worked as a tattoo apprentice in that particular place or a tattoo studio. You'll be not having any exposure in it. Then number 10, worldwide exposure. Yes, as a tattoo artist, when you completed this tattoo school, we are bringing our students to the tattoo festivals to compete with the more experienced tattoo artists, and we are proving that our tattoo students are much more better than none of the other amateur tattoo artists who is doing on their own in the tattoo festival. Yes, that's how our structured tattoo courses will be helpful for many of the students to improve as a pro tattoo artist, and we are providing a worldwide exposure from our social media to all the students, which does not even happen in the tattoo apprentice. As a tattoo apprentice, many of the tattoo artists, I will not say every tattoo artist, many of the tattoo artists and the tattoo studio, they will try to pull down the tattoo apprentice and they will not help them to grow much. But we are providing a worldwide exposure to our students to grow their lot in their life. I hope you will have a much more clear idea of the differences between our tattoo apprentice and the tattoo school, and what value we are providing to our students to become a best tattoo artist. And this is the one and only right way to become a pro artist. You can choose it which way you would need to go ahead and which way you can learn a lot. And I hope you will like this video. Please share it to all the people who want to change their career and who are really bored of the 9-to-5 job and looking for some more other exposure. Then this is really helpful. Tattoo industry is one of the fastest growing industry, and they can learn a lot more things with this. And this will be really helpful for them as a side income in their career. So please do share it to the people, and I have attached our online course link below in the description, and I have attached our contact number also to get more information about our offline classes. So I am signing off. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Tattoos and Machu Tattoo School. Don't die nude.